Right, this is Samsung's support portal. Okay, we're just getting into that and see how easy it is to log a complaint. Okay, so I go log in a complaint. It takes. This has got high latency, so it's still connecting. Counter is there. About 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay, long time to check Spotify. Nothing. Windows network dangling. Everything is fine. We'll just check it. Google.com. Samsung service works, so we don't have a problem with internet. Okay, we'll go to Samsung main menu, track complaint now. Though we know like we have to log in to track our complaint, we'll see how this works. So SSO single sign on search history login is equal to no. It's validating here. Okay. Again, same issue. There is lot of latency on the page. Still trying to connect. Same issue. So we're closing this. We're closing the previous tab. Again, I'm going to Samsung service locator. No more. Okay, got some page. Just trying to move. Okay. Okay. In WhatsApp. Still connecting. Still connecting. 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 I just close that window just to ensure that it connects here. Okay. Still connecting. Okay. Go back. Let's try the other channel. Chat with us. Okay. Okay. This is perfect. Probably this will work. But there are some information here which doesn't work. If I use this chat feature, we are experiencing high chat volumes. Please try again in some time. You have closed the gun. Hi Samsung, please, I am here to answer your question and help you in your purchase journey. I'm still learning, so if I can't help, I will connect you with the person who can chat. Okay. This is an AI chatbot. We are experiencing high volumes. Please try again later. Oh, this is not a great experience. If you have an eye, why should it give me this? Bad. That's bad. It's really bad.